In the name of Almighty Allah, the Merciful. Dear students, guardians, and viewers, at present, those who are watching my class, please take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am Muhammad Umar Farooq, Assistant Teacher of English, Dabua TS High School, Raujan, Chattogram. Welcome to my class. Today, I will deliver my lecture on English first paper for the students of class 8. Today, our topic is gap filling activities. Okay, my dear students, please attend my class attentively. Read the box below and fill the gaps using the clues given in the box. There are more words than necessary. One word can be used once only. Chat, upload, email, private, useful, user or world, online, through, social, can. People use internet for personal and social communication. They can send email and chat on the internet. Email is a private communication system and goes from one user to another. On the other hand, online chat can be happen between two people or in groups. The internet is very useful for the students too. Students download and upload useful materials when necessary. Students now can attend real classes from a distance through the internet. Now the next one, made, through, depends, powerful, dispute, send, increase, goes, happen, using, used, mood. At present, the internet is the most powerful communication system for personal, academic, business, and social communication. The internet is the strongest mode of communication. It has made our communication faster, easier, and cheaper. The internet is used for personal and social communication. People can send email and chat on the internet. Email is a private communication and goes from one user to another. On the other hand, online chat can happen between two people or between groups. Business communication largely depends on the internet. Our banks are providing different services through the internet. Now we can do all banking works by using internet. The next one is superior, birth sincerely, The patriot unique, inherent, loves, defend, eat for affection. A human being possesses some great qualities. Patriotism is such an inherent quality. It creates in a man a unique love for his motherland, the land of his birth. Patriotism is superior to anything else in the world. A man who loves his country and works sincerely for his country is called a patriot. Even the ancient tribes had a great affection for the land of their birth and sacrificed their lives to defend its honor at any cost. The next one is oxygen as so eat we the unhealthy called are good man and finally excellent. Nature has made an excellent arrangement between trees and man. As we breathe out, we give out a gas called carbon dioxide, which is unhealthy for us, but plants are nourished by it. On the contrary, plants give out oxygen, which is good for us. We take it in as we breathe the fresh air. Damage, effect, sediment, deforestation, protect, forest land, cut, habitat, flood causes, insecurity, and finally repair. The most common causes of deforestation are cutting and burning the forest land. Though the forest lands are cut down and burned for the sake of agriculture and habitat, it has a negative effect on the environment. The removal of trees causes the birds and other animals living on them leave the place. It also causes serious damage to the soil, as trees give protection to the soil. In the end, the soil gets sediment in the riverbed and causes frequent flood. The next one is principal valuable student and boys study season shown be time successful finally success. Student life is the most useful and valuable period in a man's life. This is the time when the seeds of future life are sown. For this, it is called the sowing season in our life. During the period, a student has to do certain things to be successful and happy in future life. The principal duty of a student is to study and acquire knowledge on various things. He must he must study according to routine. He has to be attentive to his studies and teachers. He should also read newspapers, magazine, literature and history etc. The next one is lack disease, clean, cure diseases to our stagnant container by garbage remembered. Dengue fever is one of the fatal diseases. Dengue mosquitoes thrive in areas with stagnant waters. especially in water tanks, old tires, and containers, etc. Lack of sanitation and negligence of garbage collection also contribute to spread the disease. So, at the household level, people need to be aware of these issues and keep their house clean. It should be remembered that prevention is better than cure. The next one is very especially beauty decorates influences equally. Decorator Harbinger felt shivering while though there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh, not all of them are noticed equally. 2 seasons, especially summer and winter, are prominently felt by us. Summer is felt well for its scorching heat, while winter for its shivering cold. Of course, there is another season which influences our life by its beauty and fragrance, and it is spring. This is a season that decorates nature with new leaves, flowers, bees, butterflies, and birds. It is said that the cuckoo is the harbinger of spring. The next one is many aim self reliant, perfect, sympathetic, supposed he opportunity, knowledge, development in, and finally, two. Education is compared to light. Proper education provides a learner with opportunity to improve all his talent. It aims is better development mentally so that he can be useful to himself and to the society. An educated man is self reliant, but he can also assist others in attaining this great virtue. He is supposed to be well mannered, kind, and sympathetic. So, a man who has acquired knowledge and skill only for his material development cannot be called a truly educated man. Mind for suitable without all among sorrowful, very late, enjoyable are, and finally many. Physical exercise means the regular movement of different parts of the body. It is very essential for our body as well as our mind. It keeps our body active and strong. There are many kinds of physical exercises, but all kind of physical exercises are not suitable for all people for all the people of all ages. Among all other physical exercise, swimming and walking are suitable for all. Without taking physical exercise, none can lead a happy and enjoyable life.